By the Bronze Age, drinking dash were being made of sheet metal. So what was made of sheet metal? Boat, container, vessels, pot. We have were here, that means we need plural answer, and out of the four options only one is plural, so we'll go with this. Vessels were being made of sheet metal, primarily bronze or gold. However, the peak of feasting, and in particular the political type of feast, came in the late this period, soon after the foundation of the Greek dash of Massalia at the mouth of the Rhine. So foundation of something, foundation of the Greek settlement, colony, outpost, dependency. Outpost and dependency is not something that can be foundation of certain people. Foundation of the Greeks. So settlement is never foundation. Foundation means starting, the first thing. So we can say the foundation of their colony at this place. From that date on, the blood of the grape began to make its way north and east along major river systems. So this Rhine was the river that they started living there. So it was foundation of their colony. Systems together with imported metal and ceramic drinking vessels from the Greek world. Wine was thus dashed to the list of mood altering beverages. So wine was with was, it should be third form. Extra, further, new and added. We only have one third form. It was added to the list of, such as mead and ale, available to establish social networks in Iron Age Europe. Attic pottery dash found at hill forts such as this in Germany, and luxury goods such as monumental 5th century Greek bronze crater found at this place. They both supply archaeological evidence of this dash. So there are two things, one luxury goods and one is Attic pottery dash. Remains, rubble, fragment, trash. So trash is like waste, negative word. Rubble is singular, so we cannot, they haven't found only one thing of pottery. Remains is what is left over. So we won't say pottery remains, whatever is left, rather we'll go with pieces, which is fragments. Fragments means the pieces. So whatever pottery pieces we could find and the luxury goods that we find, both of these things supply evidence of this dash. So with this it has to be singular. Dealings is plural, we don't want it. Interference is negative, there is no interference going on here. Contact, no, but no contact. We have two things and both of them are non-living things. So fragments of pottery and luxury goods cannot contact each other. So we'll say this interaction. Interaction can be like whatever, let's say common things we have got in both of them, that can also be interaction. Organic containers such as leather or wooden wine barrels may also have traveled north into Europe but have not dashed. So with have should be third form of verb. Survived, endure, continue, last. So only one third form survived. It is unknown what goods were dashed in return. So with were it should be third form again. What goods were skill in return, traded, job, employment, only one third form. What goods were traded in return.